Hi everyone, it's Joy Barfoot. I'm in Greenspond this evening. It's April 27th, 2024. And today myself and my husband Peter, we visited the cemeteries on top of the island. We visited 5 cemeteries today. Just checking out some of the work that was done by Robin and Ian over the last couple of years with Black Cat Cemetery Preservation. And so they've been working with the Greenspond Historical Society, doing some restoration work in the cemeteries. And we're so pleased with the work that's been done so far. And we couldn't do it without everyone's help and support. So thank you to everyone who contributed so far. There's still so much work to do in the cemeteries. The old Anglican cemetery right now has over 100 headstones that need to be uprooted and cleaned and put back on their bases. So there's still so much to do, and we just want to continue this work. It's so important, and it's important for all of us. It's important for the future and for the future generations. It's important to historians, it's important to genealogists, and it's just important to the community as a whole. So we want to continue this work over the summer, and we're looking forward to having Robin and Ian come back in July and continue that work. But we can't do it alone. As I've said before, it takes a team, it takes a village, and we're really looking forward to starting some more fundraisers coming up in the future. So stay tuned for that. And hopefully everyone will be able to contribute, even if it's just a little. It helps a lot. So thank you so much, everyone, and stay tuned for the upcoming fundraisers. We'll post them on the Greenspond Historical Society's Facebook page and the website, and we're hoping to maybe do the first one in May. So stay tuned, and by all means, if you have a chance to come to Greenspond over the summer, be sure to check out the cemeteries as a stop along your way. And I think you too will be impressed with the work that's being done. So again, thank you, Robin and Ian, Black Cat Cemetery Preservation. Big thanks to Linda White for initiating the project, and so thank you to everyone, and thanks to my husband Peter, who's making these videos and helping along the way as well. Thanks everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day.